In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add footnotes in Google Docs. Footnotes are a great way to add extra information, citations, or explanations without cluttering up the main body of your document. They're especially useful for essays, reports, research papers, or any document where you need to reference your sources. First, open the Google Docs document where you want to add a footnote. Make sure you're logged into your Google account and that the document is fully loaded. Take a moment to scroll through and decide exactly where in your text you want that footnote to appear. Footnotes are always attached to a specific word, phrase, or sentence. Now, click your cursor at the point in the text where you want the footnote marker to go. This is usually at the end of a sentence, right after the punctuation mark. Placing it after the period keeps your writing clean and easy to read. Once your cursor is in place, look toward the top of the screen at the Google Docs menu bar. Click on the Insert menu. A drop-down list will appear with a variety of options. From this list, select Footnote. On most keyboards, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+F on Windows or Command+Option+F on a Mac. If you prefer to work quickly with shortcuts, as soon as you add the footnote, you'll see a small number appear in the main text where your cursor was, and your cursor will automatically jump down to the bottom of the page. That's where Google Docs creates the footnote area. You'll notice the same number appears there, ready for you to type your note. Now, type the content of your footnote. This could be a citation, like a book or article reference, a link to a website, or a brief explanation that supports the point you made in the main text. Keep it concise, but clear enough that a reader understands exactly what the note is referring to. If you need more than one footnote, simply repeat the same process. Click where you want the note, go to Insert, then Footnote, and type your information. Google Docs will automatically number them in order and keep everything neatly aligned at the bottom of each page. When you're finished, scroll back through your document to check that the numbers in the text match up with the notes below, and that everything looks consistent and professional. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to add footnotes in Google Docs.